Today, we are dwelling into a topic that affects so many of us: urinary tract infections or UTIs. Now, I know firsthand how uncomfortable and bothersome UTIs can be. But fear not, because in this video, we are going to share some effective ways to treat UTIs right from the comfort of your home. Everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. So if you are tired of those pesky symptoms and looking for some natural remedies, stick around because we've got you covered. Before we dive into the details, let me give you a sneak peek of what's coming up. We will be talking about everything from the power of hydration to the magic of cranberry juice. And that's just the beginning. So without further ado, let's jump into our list of 5 fantastic ways to treat UTIs at home. First up, the simplest and often underestimated remedy: stay hydrated. Water is your best friend when it comes to flushing out bacteria from your urinary tract. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and you will be helping your body naturally fight off those unwelcome visitors. Cranberries. They are not just for Thanksgiving. Cranberry juice or supplements contain compounds that can prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. This makes it harder for them to cause an infection. Incorporate unsweetened cranberry juice or supplements into your routine for some extra UTI fighting support. Next up is the D-mannose magic. Ever heard of D-mannose? It's a natural sugar that can be found in some fruits and it has the ability to prevent certain types of bacteria from adhering to your urinary tract. D-mannose supplements are available and can work wonders in alleviating UTI symptoms. Number 4 talks about probiotics. Maintaining a healthy balance of good bacteria in your gut can indirectly help prevent UTIs. Probiotics, often found in yogurt and supplements, can support your body's defense mechanisms by keeping bad bacteria in check. A balanced gut means a happier urinary tract. Last but not least, let's talk about some herbal remedies. Uva ursi, also known as bearberry and golden seal, are herbs that have been used for centuries to treat UTIs. These herbs contain compounds that can fight off infection causing bacteria. However, make sure to consult a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you are taking other medications. And there you have it, 5 fantastic ways to treat UTIs at home. Remember, while these remedies can be effective for mild cases, if you're experiencing severe symptoms or if your UTI doesn't improve after a few days, it's crucial to seek medical attention. UTIs can sometimes lead to more serious complications if left untreated. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap our tips. Stay hydrated, embrace the power of cranberries, consider D-mannose supplements, maintain a healthy gut with probiotics, and explore herbal helpers like Uva ursi and golden seal. Always prioritize your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Toodles!